This is part 1 of our journey to Paris in January 2023. The flight from Los Angeles to Paris is approximately 8,700 kilometers or 5,400 miles and takes about 11 to 12 hours. We arrived in 35-degree weather and even saw some snow flurries along the way. As soon as we got to the hotel early afternoon, we took a quick nap, got an Uber, and went to the Seine River. And we got a glimpse of the Eiffel Tower at night, which was spectacular. Day 2 was a great day to walk around the city, and it began at the Trocadero, where we viewed the Eiffel Tower from a distance, offering spectacular views and a wonderful feeling. We continued our walk down the Trocadero to experience the sights and sounds, and even sat down for a moment to have a cup of coffee and Parisian pastries as we people watched. Then we strolled almost a mile to reach Arc de Triomphe, which is a famous monument in Paris, France, celebrating military victories, standing at 160 feet tall and located at the end of the Champs-Élysées. It features sculptures, inscriptions, and it is a symbol of French nationalism. Even though it was freezing, we managed to walk down Champs-Élysées for a bit, a famous avenue in Paris, France, known for shopping, dining, and sightseeing, featuring the Arc de Triomphe. We continued the adventure and took photos at the famous point in the middle of the street where tourists can get a view of the Arc from a perfect vantage point. When you're here, letting go of your inhibitions and savoring each second are required, so jump with glee and take great pictures. We took another Uber to get to our next destination. Along the ride, on the Champs-Élysées, we saw another glimpse of the Arc as we drove farther away. Breathtaking. On the way, we passed by the Tuileries, which is a garden, a historic public park in Paris, located near the Louvre Museum and the Place de la Concorde, and the streets are lined with shops and unique facades that only Europe can offer. Place de la Concorde is a famous square in Paris with history dating back to the French Revolution and is home to the iconic lobster obelisk. We reached our destination, the Galeries Lafayette, which is a luxury department store in Paris, famous for its Art Nouveau style and beautiful glass dome. As you can see, the interior is just magnificent. The views were marvelous from the rooftop, and we even had an opportunity to take fun shots of the sign that says Paris, I love you. Since it's our anniversary, we decided to memorialize with some fun and romantic pictures. We headed down, saw decorations commemorating 2023 as the year of the rabbit. We couldn't leave without buying items to remember the visit. We arrived at the next stop, Montmartre, which is a historic neighborhood known for its artistic heritage, bohemian atmosphere, and panoramic views of the city, including the iconic Sacré-Cœur, which is a church known for its dome-top design and views from the city from its hilltop location. It could be seen from city center. As you can see, the steps are a bit fun but can be challenging. We got to the center of the town and found a place to eat. Took more photos of the local galleries, shopped around for souvenirs, and headed back down the stairs. We made stair stepping truly fun. Watch out for part 2. Thanks for watching.